So hello guys, it's me Harshit Epic here. So today we're gonna walk Post train guys. It's a train. It's a train guys. So that was a big sound anyways. So I'm coming for walking in front of my house for just walking over there. Okay, you just see this trees, it just wasted all of the time and rain suddenly comes out and I said now a minute ago I eat it and take a video guys, so that is good because I never do like this a video because I don't know how I gonna walk. I'm for fear of it. And now, just not a fear, it's just fearless. And it's going on by that way. And the beautiful sun is on the way. And it's not currently here. Look, there's nothing. Just swamps and something better. And look, the leaves they dropped to the rain, it's dropped. Okay, that's not a speech of myself like a manager, like Paul Heyman. Paul Heyman, not like that guy because he is a flippin' guy. Look, butterfly. Butterfly, guys. Butterfly, I like it. Okay, so. And the trees are tender, I think. There's no shadow. This boom so shadow. Look, that's just garbage. That's so bad, guys. Don't care about it. So look at this beautiful, biggest tree. It's so tender looking fish. Okay, so they just dropped off the something and they put the rocks on all the mud, and I don't want to say, I mean the rock is on cocaine. That's a common word. And you see the grasses over there, that's not grass, that's flippin' seagrasses, and that's a flippin' seagrasses. So I'm not touching it anyway because it's ew. Look, I just got new road to walk. That's not a comedy anyways. So I got my friends over there and you see that white car standing in front of the red car, and that car is my friend's car, guys. He got a Ferrari. That's not real. Anyways, he got a Ferrari. He can't drive in this road because there's properly it's restricted, boy, and it's boy not okay. I got cements in this area. I don't know, because they mud itself with just a cement, guys. I don't know. So I see the rock is on cocaine over there. Okay, so you see this hole over there? There is my front door. Not mine, my house's front door. Not front door, it's front door. Okay. That's not a smile. That's a monkey smile. Okay? You wanna visit me? Come on, guys. Don't be afraid because the rock is here. The rock is here. So, hell. I'm just going to the first line I forgot, and the new road I got is this road. It You think what it just leaves all the area, and you think where is the hill is the leaf is all falling down. You think the leaf is falling down right there. Yes, right there, guys. Look, all-time satellites, guys. That's not a satellite, that's a tube light. So that's so good, guys. Okay. And I just walked lately. I just seen a BMW riding over there and rocking over there. I don't know what to say. And there's a dog over there coming to my house, and I don't know what to do. We're gonna put the food to him, and he would take that and run away, like that. Nah, damn, that's no cloud. Look, guys, it's a beautiful weather in our destination. Okay, you see the rock over there? It's not the rock, it's the rock. Okay, I'm not a big fan of a rock like that. I'm a fan of Brock Lesnar. And the Kane, the brother of Undertaker. Okay, Undertaker. I don't know to explain it. And you see that flipping goose coming over there. That is a total fake, guys. You just get pranked. It's not poisonous, guys. It should be a prank in 1990s. So wait a second. And look, guys, the view are so white. You think, what did you just do? Buy the new green screen? I'm not doing it because of this beautiful weather. You see it, guys? And there you see it, guys. A beautiful weather. And we got this. I don't know what to say. It's a garbage tree, guys. I don't want to touch it anyways. Because of the road, I got this little guy over there, just a yellow guy. And I don't want that guy. So, look, a butterfly. Flipping over there. He doesn't know me. So he ran away, like that. And he's still over there, flipping down. And you see this tree over there. This tree is built in 1860s. That's not real anyways. That tree is in my yard for 1 year, like 2 years. 2019, they had this tree alive, and the tree ages 45. Not ages 45, it's ages 254. He got like that, and I don't know what to say about that thing, and they're just laughing in this flat. And I don't just hear it. Look, guys, I got a pointed thing there. Look, a yellow pointed thing. I don't want that thing. And what do you call this, guys? A crystal mission? It looks like a crystal mission. That's so cool. Okay, I'm not ending this video, so I'm ending this video. Bye, guys. Subscribe and view to my channel. I lately seen nobody view to my channel, and I got a gap day. So I was thinking, now videos are posted. One day cut, another day video on day. And bye, guys. Please like and share and subscribe and view my channel, guys. Bye, guys. Bye.